एक चीज मैंने नोटिस करी है, इट ऑफन गेट्स मिस्टेकन फॉर लव। अगर कोई सीधा सा आपको बोल देना कि हाँ ठीक है कोई बात नहीं तू ख्याल रखना, अरे प्यार हो गया मेरे को तो।
What is the most Sherdil thing you've done in love, Arjun?
I proposed in Portuguese when I was
What?
14 years old.
How do you experience love? Like, I think that
सिंगल इंसान से पूछ रहा हूँ, हाउ डू यू एक्सपीरियंस लव?
Finally, you know
very
Arjun's
excited.
future love life prospects with this dream.
Welcome to Sher Dili, a space for questions, not answers.
where we have dil farke conversations around culture, art, mental health, and everything in between.
We're your hosts, Shagun.
Sanya and Sanjana.
Welcome to season 2, episode 5 of Sher Dili, and we're talking about modern love today with Arjun, also known as the Knight of Steel. Arjun is a psychologist and creator. As you know, I think he enjoys talking about statistics and men's mental health. One more thing is that his humor is terrible and will make you want to tear your hair out. So, we've given you the disclaimer already. Arjun, would you like to tell us something about yourself, or have I covered it all?
नहीं नहीं, I think that's a pretty good description of the average Arjun experience. You'll get nerdy humor at best.
बहुत बढ़िया। तो अब हम आपसे बात करेंगे, डायरेक्टली आपसे ये पूछना चाहेंगे कि व्हाट इज द मोस्ट शेरदिल थिंग you've done in love, अर्जुन?
What a question to start with.
देखो, this is why I always ask for a list of questions beforehand, ताकि मैं सोच कर share दिल thing. Um, I proposed in Portuguese when I was
What?
14 years old.
एक सेकेंड I
Yeah,
want to
yeah,
process
yeah,
this.
yeah, yeah.
एक सेकेंड wow.
I
Okay.
think we
Yeah.
need some
I, I, I,
some
I
backstory.
think I may have been 15 or 16, but it was definitely in Portuguese because I did not want the other person to understand what I was saying, but I also wanted to say it.
But did they understand? I really hope for
Yeah,
your teenage self that they understood
guys,
what you were saying. At
Nope,
least,
nope,
oh my
of
god.
course not. What 15-year-old knows Portuguese in Hisar, Haryana?
Yeah.
so
So,
So
what makes it
yeah,
shade? What makes
it
it shade?
was it was the it was the first time I did something that I was very scared to do.
Oh,
That counts. That
hmm.
counts, right? That has to
I,
count. Come
That
on.
counts 100%. That
Yeah.
is, I think I kind of miss how कितने risks लेते थे यार हम लोग as teenagers. I feel like the decisions that I took in love as a 15-year-old, I can't do as a 25-year-old.
can we get
But
one
Absolutely not.
example, Shagun?
Absolutely not.
wish I could say
sorry,
the same.
बहुत trauma dumping हो जाएगी अभी मत खुलवाओ।
Sorry.
पिटारा मैं guest नहीं हूँ, आज अर्जुन guest है। तो अर्जुन, okay, thank you for that. You dealt with that question really well. Bonus points to all men out there because you are the flag bearer today. But what is love to you? ठीक है सर।
प्यार दोस्ती है, right?
And
That's the dialogue. I think that's the dialogue. I think no, but I think love is more about safety and respect and growth with each other, for each other, and towards each other. So technical answer मेरा वो होगा कि it's all about support, safety, and growth with each other.
Beautiful, noted. Or non-technical answer.
How do you experience love? Like, I think that would help. Uh,
Experience love. Single इंसान से पूछ रहा हूँ, how do you experience love? Um, okay. Who do I love? Who do I love? I love my dogs. Uh, does that count? Does that count? Are we? Is
Most,
that the kind
yeah,
of love we're talking about?
100%. Of
absolutely.
Any
course.
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
love.
Huh.
Then it's absolutely about my dog. My younger dog. He waits up every night till I am back in bed, so
Oh.
that he can come and snuggle up next to me.
Oh.
So he's just sitting on the ground the whole night. I think for at least an hour and a half, he just sits there. And the moment I even get on the bed, like I just get on the bed even for a second, he's like, okay, now my turn. I'm coming next to you.
Oh.
So he just comes and
That's so
sleeps next to me.
cute.
So yeah, that's how I experience love. And then I just uh, hold him and go to sleep.
So cute. यार ये तो क्यूट आंसर दे दिया यार.
And if we were to ask like the specific kind of love we're all going to talk about,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
romantic love with a partner,
Uh, uh,
I'm
uh,
sorry.
I hate you.
Very nice.
What I'll say is, love is all about respect, and it is about being able to express yourself in front of the other person, being able to be your true self. Hannah, Hannah, is that not what it is? That,
Fair enough.
I think we all agree
that.
to some extent.
Yes, yes, yes. That is that.
I have a question from,
Mm-hmm.
from most women out there. When a, since you're one of the few men we have talked to about love, uh, when a man is in love, अर्जुन, तो उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होता है? Please tell us.
Dekho, obviously, all men experience love the same way. All 4 billion of us
You're
experience it
being
exactly the same way.
sarcastic, I understand.
Maybe, maybe.
Okay, पर अपने personal
But
experience.
personal experience से हम ये बता सकते हैं, it's a lot about taking care of the other person, making them feel safe in your company, making them feel like they can be their best and most authentic self. And it's a lot of it has is to do with how I can serve the other person, like how I can be there for them and how I can be what they need me to be when I'm in love. So it's a lot to do with those acts of service or those acts of support for the other person. And generally, talking about the men that I know who are in love, I think it's all about supporting your partner. It's all about being there in their tough moments, celebrating the good moments, and uh, building a good life together.
We got tired by the end of the answer.
थोड़ा सा
Uh,
intense हो
I
गया
can
ना?
feel the stress for some reason. Like,
हाँ. आगे तक यार ये 30 मिनट फास्ट बातें करेंगे, बकवास
but
करेंगे.
adding to what you said, I have a question, which I think is
mhm,
something that I've been actively thinking about. So, like you said, acts of service, right? Or like providing, being there. Have you watched Permanent Roommates by any chance?
no, no.
TVF show. Okay, so we'll come to that later. But so this question about even as a man allowing somebody to be there for you, or letting somebody serve you, or I think
Mm,
like the other way around. Like we talk a lot about acts of service, providership, and a man has to provide even. So in love, do you think men struggle to kind of receive or allow somebody to be there for them in some way? Like what are your views on that? And do you think that may come in the way
हाँ
of
देखो
relation?
yeah, I think it definitely does because even I struggle to be taken care of. Whether I am sick, whether I am struggling with some work, मेरे को ऐसा होता है मैं अपने आप कर लूँगा, आप इसकी टेंशन मत लो. It's because somewhere or the other, I think a lot of us see ourselves as a burden, our problems as a burden, and it's seen as something ये हम पे छोड़ दो, हम आपको बर्डन नहीं करेंगे और आप टेंशन ना लो इस चीज़ की। सो इट्स लाइक अगर मैंने कुछ बताया किसी को कि मेरे को इस चीज़ की ज़रूरत है तो उससे टेंशन बढ़ जाएगी, इट विल इंक्रीज द टेंशन और इट विल इंक्रीज द बर्डन ऑन देम टू टेक केयर ऑफ अस एज वेल। सो it is a bit challenging to receive the kind of care we we wish we had. अब इसमें ये भी आता है कि at the same time we wish we were cared for as well,
Exactly.
कि
Yeah.
काश कोई समझ पाता, काश कोई समझ पाता हमारे साथ क्या होता है, काश कोई कर पाता ये सब, काश ये सब हो जाता। वो करना पड़ेगा ना, मतलब यू हैव टू टेल देम कि हम ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं, हम ये चाहते हैं, हम ये उम्मीद करते हैं किसी से। बट आई थिंक वो एक गैप रह जाता है दोनों में, वेयर वी विश दीज थिंग्स वर हैपनिंग and unless we say it, unless we tell them that this is what we expect, it is unlikely that it will happen unless the other person can read your mind, which would be amazing in the first place. So many things would be easier if that was possible, but वो नहीं हो पाता. So that is where a lot of relationship issues also come up.
Why do you think that happens? Like, what is the struggle जब अंदर से you guys want to be taken care of and would want, like you said, for you love is to be able to be your authentic self, which would mean that you also would want to be held in. Uh, where do you think the struggle happens, or what are your views on that? Why do men struggle? And we all know society has a major thing to play in it, but what are your views on it, and what would you want to say to people out there and to your own self about this?
Maybe. Yeah.
I think a lot of times we lack the words. We genuinely don't know the words for it. We don't know that we can say these things and it will be allowed. I remember I was talking to just one of my friends and I was telling her कि यार आज बड़ा थका हुआ हूँ, आज जल्दी सो रहा हूँ, कल बात कर लेंगे. And I was expecting a year full कि थोड़ी देर के लिए तो बात कर रहे हैं, we're talking after months and अभी भी तेरे को सोने जाना है, what is wrong with you? And she was like हाँ ठीक है, it's okay, you can sleep, कल बात करते हैं. और मैं ऐसे एक सेकंड ये क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट आर यू मैड एट मी, आर यू एंग्री विद मी, मतलब इज दिस सम माइंड गेम दैट यू आर डूइंग कि तुम अगली बार मेरे को खुद कॉल करोगे. एंड मैं 2 मिनट बैठ के उससे कंफर्म किया कि ठीक है ना, सब ठीक है ना, मैं सो जाऊँ ना, कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं होगी ना. So, there is that apprehension in how even something as simple as this will be received, because uh, it is met with ridicule at times, it is met with judgment at times. So uh, we do try to keep it inside, but every once in a while आपको ऐसे कोई लोग मिल जाते हैं who understand it. And एक चीज मैंने नोटिस करी है, it often gets mistaken for love. अगर कोई सीधा सा आपको ये बोल देना कि हाँ ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, तू ख्याल रख अपना, अरे प्यार हो गया मेरे को तो. आज मुझे प्यार हो गया है, इसने मेरे को ख्याल रखने को बोला, अब मैं प्यार में पड़ गया हूँ. बिकॉज बिल्कुल आदत ही नहीं है ऐसी चीजें सुनने की.
ये तो
So,
बहुत इजी तरीका है मैन को फंसाने का.
अरे बहुत,
Be nice
I
to them
mean,
once.
हाँ बस.
you'd be surprised how many guys mistake that basic level of safety that you should have with somebody. आपकी दोस्ती में जो एक सेफ्टी होनी चाहिए ना कि भाई हाँ ठीक है, कुछ हो रहा है तो बता दे, हम कर लेंगे, तेरे साथ हेल्प कर लेंगे, वही एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं किया कभी. And the moment it's experienced, it's like, अरे this is what love is, this is what full on dedication is, this is exactly what all those songs are about. So safety gets mistaken for love, and मतलब mistaken, it's a part of it, but it's like elevated to what all love is about. So yeah, it's very easy. We are very easy.
I have a question. मैं पूछूं?
You go ahead
हाँ.
first.
So, but from what I can make out, Arjun, you're saying कि most of men's experiences with women are such where I don't know if it's the assumption or if it's the norm कि वो safety मिलना मुश्किल है या not the usual है. But is that also the case in your relationships with other men? Like how, or does that come up with men and men friendships also कि यार मतलब would you expect कि your male friend would also be like कि अरे यार एक ही बार तो कॉल किया है 3 महीने में, तब भी तू बात नहीं कर पा रहा, or is there a difference in how you communicate with a bro and like Not.
देखो, again, I can only come from my own
Yeah, yeah.
experiences.
वो भी best.
I my school best friend, he dropped in at home one day. I think we were meeting after 9 years. We hadn't spoken to each other in the middle, and he was coming to drop his wedding card. एंड मैंने
Oh.
उसको दरवाजे पे रोक दिया, तू अंदर ना घुस जाइए उस चीज के साथ, मैं तेरे को आने नहीं दूंगा, क्या कर रहा है तू ये? so uh, so it was as if we were starting off again from where we had left. So I think वो familiarity और वो comfort इतना ज्यादा होता है कि you're not really thinking about how the other person would receive it, because to a degree you have a very basic level of trust that they won't they won't drop you over this. They won't, give up on you over this. And look, I've been lucky enough to have female friendships like that with me ever since as well. तो मैं वही बोल दूं कि ये जेंडर न्यूट्रल है, ये वाली चीजें.
We could see our
Uh,
faces.
I am already scared. तो तो हाँ, I think generally with most guys that is what the experience is कि भाई ये इसके साथ टेंशन नहीं लेनी पड़ती, ज्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ता.
Get it. What? I feel like there's a lot coming up for Sanya. Sanya, you go first.
No, so like we talked about safety, and you said कि कहीं मिलती नहीं है men को इतनी generally safety or the experience of safety. Uh, और जब मिलती है they might mistake it for something more than it may be in that moment. But I'm just wondering, when men do receive safety, or when they might meet someone who's able to create that safety, emotional safety for them, uh, and then we talk a lot about in pop culture, like we talk about avoidance, we talk about how safety can feel like a foreign concept ki, and then men shutting down and all of those things happening because safety can feel so foreign. वहां पे क्या हो जाता है with men? Does the question make sense for you? Like I feel like you crave
नहीं, मेरे
something,
को
and
समझ
even
नहीं
if
आया.
you नहीं आया
हाँ हाँ, you crave something and even if you get it.
like safety चाहिए, और safety अगर आपको कोई दे रहा है, somebody is able to provide that safety because it feels so alien, तो फट जाती है क्या लड़कों की कि अरे हाँ, तो
बहुत
what
ज्यादा,
happens then?
बहुत ज्यादा. It's one of those things, right? Like once you get it, you are afraid of losing it, and you are like, oh God, I am going to ruin this, and I'm going to just mess it up for everybody. तो ठीक है, अपने पास ही रखो, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. So
से-
so it's like self-fulfilling prophecy हो जाती है लड़कों के लिए एक पॉइंट पे कि I don't deserve safety. If I get safety, I end up ruining it because I still believe somewhere deep down that I don't deserve to be experience this kind of safety, and उसके बाद I'll just do something to ruin it. तो हटो हटो, दूर जाओ यहाँ से.
I feel like ये वाला experience applies to women as well. And in
Yeah,
general,
I
I
guess.
of course, but like in general, I feel like even from what you said, कि like in your relationship with that friend of yours जो आपके घर आया था, there is this sense of trust that you were talking about. But romantically, like in today's day and age, in quote unquote modern love, I think there's a lot of distrust and fear
Yeah.
that is coming up for both men and women. And हाँ मतलब how do you think that is affecting men's mental health?
अगर वो लाइक मैं
यार, I
एक
think
अर्जुन का कीवर्ड डाल देती हूँ अंदर, अब उसको मजा आएगा आंसर करने में.
अब मैं याद करूंगा अच्छे से, मतलब जैसे सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन हो गया ना यहाँ पे कि आप इसको डाल सकते हैं.
Thanks
अब
guys,
अच्छे
I'm
रिजल्ट्स
learning how to
आएंगे.
create content.
देखो, आई थिंक वो डिसएंगेजमेंट हो जाती है एक पॉइंट पे बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लैक ऑफ ट्रस्ट with strangers, with the idea of romantic love, with the idea of having a romantic relationship. कि ऐसा होता है कि चाहिए ही नहीं, ठीक है, we are better off alone. And honestly, I think I experienced this. I'm pretty sure women experience this as well. That the fear of something going wrong is so huge that it always seems like the better option is to just not engage in something like this at all. That it's just the safer option to not do anything. And a lot of guys experience the same thing as well, that देखो अब इतना रिस्क लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. हम किसी से बात करेंगे, उनको पता नहीं कैसा लगेगा. They might mistake it for something that we did not intend at all, and they will get hurt, and we don't want to do that. So just keep it to yourself and don't assume anything, and just be happy with your own self. आई थिंक दैट्स अब फिर उसमें मेंस मेंटल हेल्थ पे हैशटैग ये इफेक्ट हो जाता है कि यू फाइंड योरसेल्फ वेरी आइसोलेटेड, यू फाइंड योरसेल्फ अलोन अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स बिकॉज वी नीड अदर पीपल. लोग तो चाहिए होते हैं कि कैसे भी हों, वी नीड अदर पीपल. तो that leads to that sense of loneliness and isolation and uncertainty about what the future holds.
I feel like when you're
Whenever
talking, I feel like
और फिर अरेंज मैरिज आ जाती है, जिसके बाद ऐसा लगता है कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
this will fix my life.
Yeah, I get it. I feel like as I'm growing older, मुझे लग रहा है यार ये तो अपनी सोसाइटी के लोगों ने बहुत सही तरीका निकाल रखा है यार. मतलब कोई प्रेशर ही नहीं है लोगों पे, मम्मी पापा पे छोड़ दो. अगर आप बेकार इंसान हो तो भी शादी हो जाएगी, कैसे भी हो, कुछ भी. There is very little. I mean, okay, I feel like.
इंसेंटिव भी नहीं है ना, कुछ सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए कोई इंसेंटिव नहीं है ना आपके पास कि आपको आपको कोई अपने लिए ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
आपके लिए कोई आ जाएगा और फिर आप उनके जैसा बन जाना, या फिर वो आपकी तरह बन जाएंगे. तो आप टेंशन ना लो, आप सब सेट हो
Setting
जाएगा
done है.
इवेंचुअली.
हाँ.
हाँ,
Burden is
फील्डिंग
not
सबकी
ours.
लगी हुई है.
But that's where is love in all of this, right? Like if essentially we are, then this is not to as a question or challenge or have like a, but generally thinking out loud कि फिर मतलब इसका क्या solution है, या solution की भी बात नहीं है. It's more like if you want, if all of us are craving love and connection, whether it's romantic, whether it's in whichever form it is, we're craving that connection. You said that, like you also said, men feel lonely, isolated. All of us do, right? हमें वो चाहिए, पर हम बहुत डर लगता है हमें that things might not, like how we keep quoting bell hooks in our podcast about to love is to risk, to love is to be open to loss, to live is to lose, like all of those big things, right? What do we do about this fear? Matlab, yeah, what do you do about this fear, or just generally what do you think out, like what comes up for you as a man कि चाहिए पर बहुत फटती है, और फिर दिमाग ने बोला कि हाँ ठीक है अरेंज मैरिज हो जाएगी, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा. बट where is Arjun in all of this, and where is love for you in all of
Love
this?
in all of this.
Yeah.
Love, yeah, as you said, to love is to risk, right? And I think speaking for a lot of guys, I'll come to my own experiences later, but speaking for a lot of guys, the risks are just way too large for the possibility of love. It's like they have genuinely decided. I think, especially with social media, you know, you see a particular point of view and then you see that same point of view over and over and over again, and it starts seeming like that is the fact of the world, that there is nothing else which exists. That reinforces the idea that the risks are huge and they are definitive. That if you make a single mistake, you will definitely be punished for it, and you will be given the harshest punishment for it. So, for a lot of young boys, it's like, भाई risk मत ही लो, कुछ ही मत करो, बिल्कुल कुछ मत करो, बैठे रहो, बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं करना, अपने आप पे focus करो. Which is what a lot of influencers end up monetizing on as well. कि भाई हम अब लड़के तो अकेले पढ़ ही गए हैं, तो अब हम उनको अपनी तरह अपने कोर्सेज बेच देते हैं, तो ठीक हो जाएगा कुछ. क्योंकि आपके पास आप रिस्क एक्सपीरियंस करते हो, आप अनसर्टनिटी एक्सपीरियंस करते हो, तो आपको अगर कोई सर्टनिटी बेच रहा हो या फिर आपको कोई एक पाथ बेच रहा हो, तो दे सीम लाइक अ मेसियानिक फिगर ना. मतलब ये सब ठीक कर देगा, अगर मैंने इस बंदे को फॉलो कर लिया तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. वो कुछ भी बोले, कुछ भी बकवास करे, कुछ भी कैसे भी बोले, तो वो सब ठीक लगता है, क्योंकि पता ही नहीं है कि क्या करना. So
You said you are stuck, and then you left. धीरे धीरे
He's rolled out of the frame.
वीडियो ऑफ करी और लेफ्ट चैट, तो वो हमारा वो बनेगा मेरे लव. आई एम स्टक.
Why are we ruining
very
Arjun's
excited.
future love life prospects with this name. This whole thing is an
Hold on.
elaborate plan to set up Arjun.
Let me give you another clip ek bar. I'll just roll back inside. See?
That is the risk you need to take for love, toppling over.
Yes.
But
यही तो
please
है यार,
continue
यही तो
what
है.
you were saying about influencers and monetization on these boys.
हाँ, मैं बस ये कह रहा था कि मैं 3 बार कह चुका हूँ, but yeah,
Third
the
time.
influencers monetize on this
Andrew Tate.
uncertainty, क्योंकि अगर आपको कोई uncertainty के times में कोई भी आपको एक certain path देगा, तो you will follow them. You will treat them as somebody who's just very beyond you, and they are just the right people to follow, whether they're good for you or bad for you. So that's something that they end up doing. अब इसके आगे का क्वेश्चन क्या था मैं भूल चुका हूँ, तो मैं यहीं पर रुक जाऊंगा.
It was about your own experience with all of this.
No, I think we are trying to complicate it too much, and we're trying to walk ऐसे ऊपर ऊपर से. Like I think we're only like from whatever Arjun is saying, it seems like he has so many. He has a lot of context to what he's saying and काफी भरा पड़ा in a lot of ways, but it's coming out in different ways.
What do you mean?
But what, no, just generally I'm saying, okay, what is the fear all about? Like if we ask you, because it's more like a shadil conversation, we're trying to tap into having honest conversations, right? If you're comfortable sharing, what do you think is, maybe from your lens or from the way you look at the world as a man, what is this fear all about? Like, ये जो डर है वो किस चीज का डर है? Uncertain तो रहेगी life. That's the truth of life, right? So what is
Fear, fear of being labeled creepy, or somebody who does not respect boundaries, or somebody who does not respect other people, or women in general. I think that is something a lot of I am so definitely afraid of something like that, because that is genuinely something I know I'm not. So I think that I think keeps a lot of men from, taking that risk, taking that chance, because uh, it is much better to keep things to yourself than to approach somebody and then make them very anxious, make them very uncomfortable, and then have that labeled as a creepy experience for the other person. So it's like, okay, it's better to do nothing. It's better to keep it safe.
Another sort of thing that I've seen with my male friends, since I am the resident person they call when they've had a heartbreak, and then I will go over and they will cry, um, is also they all of them want love. It hasn't worked out yet, वो बात अलग है. But also a lot of the fear once you have loved somebody or been with somebody is having to do that process all over again. Oh, now I need to find somebody new, or they will find me. I start talking again, and then I will get heartbroken again, and we will continue this cycle till who knows where. So I feel like that's also one thing that comes up in this risky. यार फिर से दिल तोड़ना पड़ेगा to find the woman I love.
क्या हो रहा है?
अन्या क्या मतलब?
No, so essentially it's the fear of judgment that you're
मेरे को तो
seeing, the fear
सानिया
of
क्या
being
सोच रही है ये
labeled a
जानना है यार.
certain.
She's thinking so much. Yeah,
Yeah, I
All
think
of
yeah,
us.
yeah, pretty
I
much.
think, but no, I'm just trying to tap on. So ultimately, it's the fear of judgment. Is that what you're saying? Like fear of.
The way love is understood for a lot of people is to be good enough for the other person, and to be good enough means to earn enough, to be stable enough, to be financially secure enough. So I think that is where I am personally, where it's like I am not stable enough or financially secure enough where I would be able to play that role. Now, if in this case, even if somebody comes and tells me you don't need to do that, we will figure something out, we will do this, that, I'm like, still, I need to do this. I need to be able to do this, right? So that also plays a role. And I think aajkal there's this not dating as well, where it's like if you want to join the app, you need to make 50 lakhs per year. So even if you make
What?
as a guy, yeah, there's
Which
this
app
app,
is this?
matrimonial app called Not Dating, where if you want to join the app, you need to make 50 lakhs per annum minimum as a man. Only then you'll be included in the app as to show to other people. Yeah, that they
Income
do. They
tax.
do. They do. They rejected somebody because he was making 49 lakhs per annum.
Oh shit.
And it's made by guys who are just monetizing on that fear of
Of
other
course.
guys, right? It's just money for them. It's not
Yeah.
what are the social consequences for this. It doesn't matter to them.
उनके लिए
So
business है.
उनके लिए it's all just about making money from this.
थोड़ा crazy हो गया ये. Hmm. पैसा पैसा.
I'm sure it works for a lot of
A lot
people.
of things to do with men in India are illegal. A lot of things to do with men in India are legal. Yeah, वो अच्छे से वो इतना फन नहीं हो पाएगा. वो वाली बातें इतनी फन नहीं हो पाएंगी.
Not to like switch tracks just a tiny bit, but with love, like we've been saying, आप risk लेते हो. It always has the possibility of being heartbroken. This you can just answer in like a yes or no. I'm not going to ask you for an elaborate story. Have you ever had your heart broken? Yes, no.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
Um,
yeah,
I'm not going to ask more
yeah.
details about it. Don't worry.
नहीं,
But
कोई नहीं,
what
मेरी
is
फ्री थेरेपी हो जाएगी. यहाँ पे थेरेपिस्ट बैठा ही है.
also fair? This was Arjun's real plan of coming on the podcast.
I'll
But
just let everything out and say.
what is something you wish someone would have said to you during that time, during your first heartbreak?
Ooh, they were saying all the right things. मैं ही नहीं मान रहा था यार. They were saying every right thing which needed to be said. But I had this very filmy idea of love in my mind कि
Hmm.
प्यार सिर्फ एक बार होता है और हम जीते एक बार हैं, मरते एक बार हैं, प्यार भी एक बार होता है. तो I was like, बस ठीक है, अब हो गया. अब ये इसमें I've been heartbroken here. तो
Never
ठीक है,
again.
this is my life now. I will forever be like this in this pain-induced situation I found myself in. Uh, so I think that the people were saying the right things. My friends around me were saying the right things. कि भाई, um, you will be able to get through this, and you know, तू ये ले आइसक्रीम खा भाई तू. And they were feeding me ice cream.
True. True.
Uh, so I think I had this very purest way of looking at love कि भाई जो जो पहली बार होता है वही होता है, and उसके बाद everything is just very false, where it's like which is not really true. I think it's putting a lot of pressure on that first experience, right? On
Yeah.
that first love, especially when it usually happens in your teenage years. Teenage years में तो आपको चलते फिरते ऐसे ही प्यार हो जाता है. तो ठीक है. So I think that is something I still carry with myself about the notion of love कि उस पे ज़्यादा प्रेशर मत डाल, वरना वो उसी प्रेशर में बकल हो जाता है कई बार.
Anything else?
I have unlearned that हाँ, एक वो जो क्या है वो गाना, लव इज व्हेन यू, एक वो गाने की ऐसी saying है ना कि एक मौत होता है and it flies into the candle and that is when it knows
Shama.
what true love
That is
is.
the
ऐसे.
Hindi one.
हाँ
क्षमा कहीं
हाँ हाँ, मुझे
परवाने
हिंदी
से.
वाला बताओ ना क्या है वो.
अरे ये नहीं होगा इस
वही
पॉडकास्ट पे.
exactly. I have unlearned that.
गाना ही
That
तो
is
नहीं
the
आता.
most, that is the worst.
हमसे परे चला जा, मेरी तरह जल जाएगा. So it's essentially saying do not be scared. It's saying dive into love. Is that what you have unlearned? Like,
Yeah,
That's what he's
yeah.
learned as
It
he's
is
grown
saying
up.
that, matlab, the idea, the देखो, the meaning that I was told about this metaphor is that true love is when you completely uh, lose yourself in it. Like you just lose yourself. You basically get lost in that feeling of love. जैसे एक वो फना हो जाना होता है ना कि you completely lose your ego. You are so deeply in love that you just completely lose yourself and you lose your ego and there you're just completely consumed by the other person. ना भाई ना, वो तो कतई नहीं करना चाहिए. मतलब love is all
fair,
about
fair, fair.
partnership and you and them together. ऐसे नहीं कि आप उनमें एकदम भक्ति मोड में चले गए उनके. वो
Yeah, I agree with you that losing yourself in love is, I doubt if that is love. Uh, but I have one question, and then maybe we can do the rapid fire. That is that since you are in this field of mental mental health, as a mental health professional, I'm not sure if you are into therapy, but like just as a mental health professional, uh, what are your views on like when we see like men in love on Instagram or like just generally like there's this permanent roommate जिसकी मैं बात करी थी वहां पे there's this scene जहाँ पे the character tells his father-in-law कि मर्दानगी का syllabus बदल गया है and it talks about how uh, वही मर्द को बहुत दर्द होता है मर्द को रोना चाहिए uh, मर्द को भी they also want to be held, they also want love, they also want people to take care of them, they also want to be understood, they also want to take breaks, take rest, accountability, partnership, all of those things have to be shared. What are your views on that as a mental health professional, as per your own personal experience, and as you interact with men in your life?
यार आई थिंक इट्स स्टिल कमिंग फ्रॉम अ वेरी टॉप डाउन पर्सपेक्टिव कि लड़के ऐसे होते हैं उनको ऐसे होना चाहिए उनको वैसे होना चाहिए सो आई थिंक आई हैव सीन दैट सीन व्हिच यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वेयर फादर एंड सन आई थिंक आर दे बोथ ड्रंक आई थिंक एंड दे आर लाइक अरे आप
Yeah, yeah,
पूरा
yeah.
सिलेबस चेंज कर दिया है इन्होंने पूरा मैनिफेस्टो बदल गया है ना. Uh,
हाँ.
and I still think कि it's very prescriptive कि भाई लड़कों को ऐसे होना चाहिए वैसे होना चाहिए and it's just a complete shift that has happened कि पहले था कि लड़कों को बिल्कुल भी नहीं रोना होता अब होता है कि लड़का अगर रो नहीं रहा है तो फिर ये लड़का कैसा हुआ ये तो लड़का ही नहीं है ये तो पत्थर बन गया है. And I thought, यार भाई अब थोड़ा चिल होने दो ना हम जैसे है वैसे रहने दो थोड़ा ठीक है
जीने
अब
दो
नहीं
थोड़ा
निकलता
सा.
हमारा. तो exactly so it's like I was watching this reel where it was like um, if a man has never cried in front of you, then he's a red flag, and you should leave him probably because he's more stone than man. अरे भाई साहब क्या प्रेशर है कि रोना निकालना पड़ेगा आपको रो के दिखाओ. मतलब हद ही हो गई. क्यों इतना प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं ना किसी पे कि I think there are some values that you should be striving towards, and if those values match with the other person, I think ऊपर वाली भी जो बातें होती हैं कि whether you're crying or not, whether you're um, you know expressing yourself or not, it's a very far thing from what you are as a person. वो सारा बहुत देर से आता है. So वही है. I think हम अभी भी बहुत प्रिस्क्रिप्टिवली बात करते हैं लड़कों की कि लड़कों को ऐसे होना चाहिए लड़कों को वैसे होना चाहिए. Um, let them be. They'll figure it out. They probably will turn out to be good men.
Hmm. Hmm. Are you ready for the rapid fire?
No.
No.
He's like, please end this call right away.
Why did I come to this podcast? ये क्या करा रहे हो मुझसे?
Surprisingly,
क्या शगुन? He's about to. It's a very easy rapid
या
fire. It
आप
is not
आप
scandalous
क्वेश्चंस
like
पूछिए
Popular
मैं
Fire.
आता हूँ अभी.
No. It's all chill.
ओके फिर ठीक है.
All right. Let's go. What is your favorite rom-com?
I didn't catch that question.
What is your favorite rom-com movie?
आवाज नहीं आई. Rom-com.
Brother?
Rom-com. Does कल होना हो count?
Yes.
मैं हूं ना.
Yeah.
मैं हूं ना. मैं हूं ना.
Oh, I
मैं
love
हूं ना.
Mehuna. Love it. One underrated green flag in a person / partner.
When you tell them you're tired, they let you go to sleep.
Fair enough. Your most toxic trait as a man.
My most toxic trait. I forget to respond to messages.
One red flag you ignored for a very long time.
Emotional manipulation.
Okay. Your
Details चाहिए
favorite
क्या?
love song.
Favorite love song. नील by सिद्धू मूसेवाला.
अब आपको गा के सुनाना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा.
Favorite part of that
नहीं,
song.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. नहीं, कतई नहीं.
Come on.
That is not gonna happen. No.
Okay, any particular lyric or part of the song that you really like?
No.
You don't need to sing it. You
Nothing
just
at
need
all.
to tell us.
I was doing Shama Parwana.
I am drawing a boundary. I am drawing a boundary.
And we're very proud of you for that.
We're curious why is it your favorite love song though? Yeah. I think the boundary is
Too
चलो
strong.
अच्छा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन ही चला गया.
Yes. Why do you love this love song? I'm very confused if you can hear me or not.
I think he's lying. No, but he said अच्छा है यार.
Okay. Fair answer. The song is just a vibe, and that's it. Your go-to heartbreak song.
यार कोई अरिजीत सिंह का ही होएगा पक्का. अब हार्ट ब्रेक मेरा कब हुआ था? तब कौन से गाने चल रहे थे?
Why am I getting a laugh? But wait, guys, I have to control.
My pain is funny to you, है ना? My pain is funny to you three.
I don't know.
मेरा
This is
दिल
what
टूटा
I'm
हुआ है. आप
scared
मेरे को
of.
याद करा रहे हो कि कब मेरा दिल टूटा था.
मेरे को laugh attack आ रहा है for no reason, but I'm fine.
मजा आ रहा
Yes,
है.
favorite heartbreak song.
Heartbreak
आप लोगों को
song.
मजा आ रहा है, मेरे को ऐसे.
अरे should I take this as a good thing that you can't think of a heartbreak song?
Yes, I am healed, which is why I don't know any heartbreak songs
Exactly.
because heal हो गया. मेरे को सही में कोई हार्ट ब्रेक सॉन्ग याद ही नहीं आ रहा है. कौन सा हार्ट ब्रेक सॉन्ग है भाई? मेरी प्लेलिस्ट
Anyway,
में कोई हार्ट ब्रेक सॉन्ग नहीं है.
Arjun is fully healed. He's ready for love now. Your most controversial opinion about love or relationships?
It's not that bad. It's worth the risk.
Woohoo!
We can end it with this one question also because you're somebody that we all see as this person who's making stats so simple and interesting for us. If you were to like this is a random question that's coming up for me right now, and if something's coming up for you, can just share कि अगर stats और love को relate करना होता, so do you have an analogy or something that comes up? Any theory, any analogy? If you were to be like, if
Yeah,
I
yeah,
were to
yeah.
be in love,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Every relationship that we pursue is basically a series of hypothesis tests that we run, right? We're faced with uncertainty and we have to face a hypothesis, we have to test hypotheses over and over again, for which we collect data from the other person about how they behave, what they're like, what kind of behavior they have with us, what kind of people they are, and on the basis of that, we sometimes reject the hypothesis or retain the hypothesis. So we're all statisticians at heart. Whenever we are in love, what we're doing is basically collecting data, using it, analyzing it to make inferences about the future, which is what statistics is all about. So we're all statisticians when we're in love,
yeah. Do you
Oh my
and
think
that's
God.
beautiful.
ये देखो यही तो अर्जुन वेट कर रहा था कि कोई
Beautiful.
सवाल तो पूछो ये
Yeah. Arjun was waiting for us to bring up stats.
yeah, and your love language is stats, I think, but but okay,
Thank
then just
you.
following up on this. हाँ नहीं चलो हो गया actually खत्म करो बोलो बोलो बोलो
Thank you so much for being on our podcast, even if it was a bit chaotic. We
yes
hope
we
you
are
had a fun time because we absolutely loved talking to you.
yes
Everyone, go follow Arjun if you don't know him already on Insta. And for
follow
all
us,
our,
they probably don't know us. So
that
yes.
is what I was coming to. And for everyone else who came here for Arjun and doesn't know the three of us, you can find us on Insta at Share Dilly Podcast. If you have a topic you'd love for us to talk about, you can email us, sharedillypodcast@gmail.com. And in the comments below, do let us know your own heartbreak story. How has a man messed you over in love? Or if you're a man, how has your love life messed you up?
Yay.